This is an overview of a UPS truck making a left-hand turn on a rural road and being struck by a small sedan from the opposite direction. The right front of the sedan struck the right rear of the truck. The accident happened in the daytime in Walker County, Texas. Turn tests were conducted at the site of the accident to determine truck turn times, visibility of the vehicles, and driver's line of sight. Cameras were positioned to record the UPS driver's point of view. A camera was also placed in an exemplar vehicle to record the sedan driver's viewpoint and line of sight.